I think everyone understands that.
Donald Trump's latest executive order a game changer for corporate corruption cases? Could it impact US investigations into India's Adani Group? US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order pausing enforcement of America's decades-old Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, also known as the FCPA. This law has been a cornerstone in fighting corporate bribery abroad, but Trump calls it a horrible law that hurts American businesses. With ongoing US investigations into Adani Group under the same law, the big question is, does this move benefit Gautam Adani? On the 10th of February, Trump directed the US Justice Department to stop prosecuting Americans accused of bribing foreign officials. He also ordered Attorney General Pam Bondi to review past and current cases under the FCPA and draft new enforcement guidelines. Trump had long criticized the law, even vowing in his first term to strike it down. Now he says stopping it will mean more business for America. So what is this FCPA? The Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, that is the FCPA, was enacted in 1977 to prevent US-based companies from bribing foreign officials to secure business deals. It has set the standard for global anti-corruption efforts. Transparency International, which is a leading anti-corruption watchdog, says that the FCPA made the US a global leader in tackling corruption. But the White House, in a fact sheet justifying the executive order, claims that the law has been over-enforced and puts American companies at a disadvantage against global competitors. And what does the FCPA prohibit? Bribing foreign government officials to secure businesses, offering, paying, or promising anything of value to a foreign official, authorizing payments that will be passed on to foreign officials. Who does the FCPA apply to? This includes US citizens and companies, officers, directors, employees, and agents of US companies, foreign individuals or firms that commit bribery within US jurisdiction, publicly traded companies listed on US stock exchanges. Past FCPA violations include bribery scandals in Algeria, Brazil, and South Africa, unlawful payments to government officials to win contracts. The US Department of Justice, also known as the DOJ, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, that is the SEC, are responsible for FCPA investigations. Both agencies have filed charges against Adani Group under this law. Legal experts now say that FCPA cases typically take around 3 years to conclude. Now, with the enforcement halted, the case could stretch longer. For Adani Group, the impact may be limited. The company has consistently denied wrongdoing, calling Hindenburg Research's allegations baseless. Adani's case is the 26th from India under FCPA compared to 34 from Brazil and 75 from China. On the 20th of November last year, the US SEC and DOJ filed charges against Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar Adani, and business associate Cyril Kibans of Azure Power Global Limited. The case involves an alleged $250 million bribery scheme tied to a 2021 bond offering by Adani Green, which raised $750 million, including $175 million from US investors. A New York grand jury issued arrest warrants for Gautam and Sagar Adani, accusing them of bribing Indian officials to secure solar energy contracts. The charges triggered a sharp decline in Adani Group stocks, with some shares dropping by 20% when markets opened. Adani Group has denied all allegations. In a stock exchange filing, Adani Green Energy stated that Gautam Adani, Sagar Adani, and Vineet Jain were not charged with FCPA violations. Instead, they face allegations of securities fraud, wire fraud conspiracy, and securities fraud conspiracy. The big question here is, with Trump's order halting FCPA prosecutions, will US authorities continue their case against Adani, or will the legal battle drag on indefinitely? For now, the fate of one of India's biggest corporate investigations hangs in the balance.